Hello everyone, this is lecture 196. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are trying to resolve the problem of redundant trust by applying some fundamental thing in this trust. So suppose this is a trust which is A, B, C. आपका trust है जिसमें कि ये मेंबर हैं S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 और ये मान लीजिए आपका दिस इज योर S6 मेंबर इज देयर. सो वी कट दिस मेंबर BC जिसमें मान लीजिए XX फोर्स का आपका प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, तो विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द फोर्स XX. सो फॉर दिस फोर्स वट एवर बी द लोडिंग वी मस्ट फाइंड आउट दिस P1 and P2 for W we can find out. For P1 and P2, for the W load, after removing this load X, so we can always calculate this P1 and P2. The other force, we apply unit load in place of X and S6 taken out, and so we'll find K1, K2, K3 and K5 like this force. Now the combination of this S1 force is nothing P1 plus X into K1. Likewise, all forces will be calculated. S2 equals to P2 plus X into K2. Likewise. So finally, the strain energy is summation of P1 plus K1 X whole square divided by 2A1E into L1. So you can have with respect to X we can differentiate. So then you will find 2P1 K1 X K1 L1 divided by 2N, which is equal to 0. So you again differentiate, separate it and put the value 0 so that you can find out the X. X will be the summation P1 K1 L1 divided by A1 divided by summation K1 square L1 divided by A1 will go disappear, and the X value will be summation P1 K1 L1 upon K1 summation K1 square L1. So you can always find out the forces as equal to P into Kx. So with the help of this you can find out. So what we have done, if this is a force system, this force system can be cut, this BC portion can be cut and a force X can be applied. Now this X is also removed for this P system of force, and we can always find out the forces in the system by removing this member. This is determinate structure. Now if you put X outside and unit load is applied, then it will convert in K1, K2, K3, K5. So by S1 P1 plus K into K1 you can find out the S1, S2, S3, S4. So this is nothing Wi, that is summation of P1 plus K1 whole square divided by 2A1 L1. So by evaluating and differentiating with respect to X unknown force, we'll find that this minimum strain energy, and with the help of this you can find out the X. X is nothing summation P1 K1 L1 divided by summation K1 square L1, and this as force for S1, S2, S3 as P plus K into X. So this is the way how we can resolve the redundant frame. So with the help of this, we'll try to solve the questions. Thank you for attending class. Thank you very much.